this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you all the new features your iPhone calculator has. But before I talk about that, subscribe to the channel. So if you open up the calculator, there are so many things that you can do. So for example, you have the basics where, let's remove, so you have like the basic calculator, etc. But what's interesting is top left, you have the list, and you can see all of your search history. And of course, you can tap on it to see how you got that, or tap on it to see how I got that. Of course, you can delete all, play around with it, so that's like one feature. Another one is that you can use scientific, which isn't new, but it's easier to access. You don't have to have your phone horizontal anymore. And then you have math notes, where basically you can just add math notes and have it for later. Another thing that's also cool, if you long hold on the calculator, you have converter at the, so you can enable converter. Then you have all these options, like angle, area, currency, data, energy, force, fuel, length, like you have all of these things. You can, like, I don't know, let's say you want to convert euro to USD. You just type in the number, and that's it. You can also do maths with it, so it's not like you had to know, so you can play around with it basically. And that's pretty much it, all of the new features. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.